So we spoke. The assignment is a need to know basis.
Yeah, boss.
Alright. Well, just drop me at the bar and pick me up when you don't go ahead.
Alright, we'll do that, but if anything, I just let you.
Well, in the event that you don't finish where you finish, I will call one of our driver.
Alright. Just keep it posted.
Can I say this, Jennifer?
Check on equipment.
Alright, which part? So she know the down here she up our house. You know which part that?
Alright, we'll find it.
Which one was part is that? Yeah, Miss Jen outside.
Miss Bissett, come now.
Oh, go on, Miss Jen.
Come on.
Thank you.
I can get the something to drink.
Water is good.
Cold or room temperature.
Cold. The day hot. I know that everything's supposed to be a blur to you. So let me explain to you.
Auntie G, what going?
They are in the numbers there.
You know, so it's a private party today. So, me have a day, so yeah?
Yeah, man, no problem. Let me know if you need anything. Please do. Because Mr. Savage just come here and go away with George. And even the phone call I'm supposed to get, not even that man I get.
Miss Jen, let me apologize for Mr. Savage behavior. I mean, sometimes it can be a bit drastic, but I'm jobbing, madam. Let me ask you something. How close was you and King with the things that him tell you?
The truth is not Miss said. Even the same day Mr. Savage come here and take George, me I learn things about George. But what me really want to know is the things them that Mr. Savage is talking about. Is he guilty of them?
Mr. Savage may have padded on things the day when he came here because him did upset. Because him say him asking more than 2 times for step outside for talk. But the kidnapping, Miss Jen, yeah, him guilty.
God have mercy. I just never seen that way them can't believe this.
Let me give you some context. All of we know King. And he's a good man. And yes, him have a dark side. But him change.
But Miss Brissett, that not sound like him change. A kidnapping we are talking about, you know. Yes, we know him have a dark side and we never know anything about kidnapping. And if involved with somebody and him a reach a stage where I kidnap people, me don't know if for the first, me don't know if it's gonna be the last. So it's a lot this to deal with. Me don't know how much of this I can deal with.
Kidnapping was never a part of what King used to do. This was to prove a point. Off the record, it's not kidnapping. But because of the law, it is seen as kidnapping.
No, this is where me confused, you know, because when Mr. Savage came here, him say I charge him the kidnapping of a federal agent.
That is correct.
Assault.
No, there was no assault.
Also, illegal possession of a firearm.
King have a permit for him firearm. Did Mr. Savage give you back his firearm?
Yeah, man, him give me, you know, but I put it in my safe, Miss Brissett. But you know what I want for now? If I figure out at his house, I put it in his safe. Because I don't want the problem, you know.
No, Miss Jen. It's safe right which part of day. Alright? You try nobody drive up and down with that on the road. As a matter of fact. When I leave in, I'll take it from you.
Miss Brissett, the young lady, well, when I said George kidnapped, who is a federal agent, what I not understand is that me go to George house and me see her, because me remember the name distinctively. But what I not understand is that she was so comfortable. The only thing she had a concern was that she got through an abusive relationship. He even promised me and George to talk to the person on her behalf and recommend she stay a few more days at home. So this is what confuse me now. Because me really not in a add up kidnapping George kidnap this person and she's so comfortable.
This is what I said to you say. Off the record is one thing and on the record is the next thing. Let me explain off the record. George ever mentioned a woman that he had in his life by the name of Colleen?
Yeah. He call her name in his sleep.
Colleen and King was in a relationship. And a gentleman by the name of Carlton Wallace was involved in her disappearance. Or so King thought. When King decided to confront Carlton Wallace about it, he was very nonchalant. So King decided to, alright, I'm gonna prove a point. And he decided to take somebody that was very close to Carlton.
Yeah. No, man. Everything are good. No, they're not suspect none. So here what? That means the shipment can come in. Yeah. hold on. Hello?
Hello. Yo, Donovan. Brother, how you have made the place a wait so long, brother?
Who this?
Brother, nobody go on like you don't know how to talk to you. What am to you, brother?
Wrong number, brother.
A numbers, man.
Oh, numbers. What go on?
A voice sound familiar. Oh, Mr. Wallace? Carlton Wallace? Yeah, man, I'm me, man. Yeah, brother. Sorry, man, I'm mixing the number.
Hey.
Sorry about that, boss.
Alright, that's our word.
Just go and do what you do here. We'll link up.
Cool.
Respect.